Today we're going to go over our homework. You should be in the Home Connections book on page 7. So let's start with our rectangles here. They're similar to the area model strategy that we learned last week. So 1 times a number that equals 48 is 48. 2 times a number that equals 48 is 24. 4 times a number that equals 48 is 12. 8 times a number that equals 48 is 6. 16 times a number that equals 48 is 3. So if all of these equal 48, then these are our factors. So the factors of 48 are 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 4 and 12, 8 and 6, 6 and 16 and 3. So is 48 a prime or composite number? If we have more than 2 factors or more than one factored pair, then our number is not prime. So our answer would be composite. How do we know? I will accept the answers more than one ordered pair, more than one factored pair, or that there is more than 2 factors, or that there is more than 1 and 48 as the factors. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. I'm going to go ahead and delete this and then scroll down so we can go to number 4. So study your list of factors. So look at your page that we just filled out. What patterns do you observe? Now, there's really no right or wrong answer here as long as you are observing patterns that you see from your rectangles that you just made, or the area model that you just made, or from your factor pairs that we just made up here. So the next slide. So this is page 8. Let's turn to page 8. 5. Write the missing parts of the number line. So 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times a number equals 24. That number is 8. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times a number that equals 30 is 10. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times a number that equals 36 is 12. Tea light candles are being packaged 6 to a box. Fill in the table. So if 4 times 6 equals 24, then our next number times 6 that equals 30 would be 5. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. A number times 6 that equals 48 would be 8. 9 times 6 is 56. A number times 6 that equals 60 is 10. For the problem below, use the numbers, words, or labeled sketches to explain your answer. June has 7 tea light candles. Aisha has 5 times more candles than June. How many candles does Aisha have? So what we would do here, if Jan has 7 tea light candles and Aisha has 5 times that, we are going to do 7 times 5, which equals 35. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. I'm going to move down. Last question. Theo has 50 tea light candles. Madeline has half as many candles as Theo. How many candles does Madeline have? So if we are trying to figure out half as many as 50, we would do 50. There's no divided symbol on my keyboard, but we are dividing. I'm going to put this as our dividing symbol, but you would put your regular dividing symbol. By 2, because we're trying to figure out half of 50, which equals 25. All right, that's it.